my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Precious and I'm a Nigerian based YouTuber living in Abia State. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really hope you subscribe before you leave, okay? And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by once again to watch me on this channel. I appreciate you for the support. God bless you. So in today's vlog, I'm going to be attempting to film a week in my life, so stay tuned to see how that goes. Okay guys, tomorrow is my friend's birthday. Yes, Desire's birthday is tomorrow, and I'm about to prepare her card and wrap her gift and yeah, all of that. So I'll show you guys while I'm doing that.
Can you actually carry on? Can you?
Left our tap on and the whole kitchen just got flooded. Hello, what's up guys? I'm on my way to school to run a few errands, so let's go, follow me. Thank you. See what I saw inside Abia State University.
Don't look at it. Snaps.
The next day.
Hey babies, I'm on my way out, but sadly I can't vlog at the place where I'm going, so I'll see you when I get back, okay? Catcha! Hi guys. Oh god, I'm so tired, but I just have to be enthusiastic because of you guys. I'm back, and I'm just coming to tell people that I'm back because I said I'll see you when I come back. So I'm back. Alright guys, I'm ready for class right now and I'm about to leave. So I'm just wearing this plain t-shirt, this plain black t-shirt, joggers. Yeah, I'll change my slippers. So right now I'm completely ready for class. So I don't know if I'll show you guys night class again, but I'll show you people in class. Then I'll see you tomorrow when I come back. All right. I got something for you. What did you buy? What happened to the Michelle of yesterday?
I ate that.
You ate 2 of them.
But by every word that comes out of the mouth of God.
Yes.
Then later Jesus went on to say that my food is to do the will of the Father and to finish his work. So that means the context of food is relative.
And
Yeah, that's why you have to eat now. And then devil will come and tell you to come
I quoted the scripture.
Hi guys, good morning. I came back from night class by around 7 a.m. and I've been sleeping from then up until now. That is 10:50 a.m. Don't judge me. The sleep still choked for my eye, but I just said to wake up because I have to be at the market by 1 p.m. before the market gets very rowdy. So I had to stand up, tidy up my room and then get going to the market. So today I'll be going to the market in town and I'll be taking you guys along with me as usual. So stay tuned, okay? So guys, I'm ready and I'm on my way to the market. No need for long talk. In my bag here I have a barcode sack that I'm supposed to use to put all the stuff I'm going to buy, and on this sticky note I have my list of things I want to buy, and of course I have money in my bag. So let's just get going, okay? See, 1,000 naira meat oh.
Jesus.
I swear.
From here?
From town.
That man in front.
Which man in front?
Wait. Why do you buy from town?
You buy from town now. I went to town to buy all these things. Will I buy from town then? I thought it would be cheaper in town. 1,000 naira meat.
Meat is more expensive in town, don't you?
I do not know.
It's only chicken that is cheaper.
Even the kind chicken itself is not even cheap anything.
following day.
Hello guys, good morning. It's another Saturday over here, and obviously Saturdays are for chores, so I'll take you guys along today just as usual. Hi babies, I'm done taking my bath and obviously I put on my house clothes. Yeah. So right now I'm about to go upstairs and check on my friend Daisy, the baker, CEO Daisy Cakes. Let me go and see what she's up to with those cakes upstairs. So I'll have to take my phone from this tripod and transfer it onto this one, and let's get going.
The next morning.
Hello guys, happy Sunday and happy Valentine's Day. I had to wake up very early so that I could fry the chicken and parboil the rice before going to church. So that's what I'm doing right now, okay? Yeah, I just finished with the kitchen for now. When I come back from church, I'll mix the rice and the veggies together. Hello guys, so I just got back from church and I'm so sorry I didn't take you guys again in this vlog. I know I promised in my last vlog that I'll take you guys to church in this vlog, but don't worry, sure, we are still on this channel together. In subsequent vlogs, I'll surely take you to church here in school. My brother is a church worker, so he still stayed back in church, you know, for all these church workers, their meetings. But I couldn't wait for him because my friend called me and told me that she is on her way here, so I had to rush back home so that I'll be at home to welcome her when she comes. See my beautiful friend. Oh my god. Oga church worker is back from church. Yo. Say happy Val to the vlog. Happy Val. Ah. Guys, my friend that just came, she actually brought cakes for me. Yo, this is the chocolate cake and this is the fruit cake. I've already started digging in. These cakes are amazing, very lovely, and my food is right here, so I'm about to have a blast. So please join me. Yo, this part I love it. The joints and the cartilage, or whatever this is called. Hey, that is not it. You came to visit me now. How can you come to visit me as my friend? And yeah, fine girl, slay queen, sugar, Betty. Hey. Are you even seeing your skin?
Hello.
Hi, Daisy the baker. Anywhere in the east, Enugu, Owerri, Umuahia, she is the baddest baker at Daisy Cakes on Instagram. Oh my God.
My mind there for you. Every time when I think of you, I feel love again.
Come on.